In this video, I am going to teach you how to change availability on Acuity Scheduling. So on my part, I have in here my own Acuity Scheduling. Just go over to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com, and you should be able to see this. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can click onto this Get Started option. Now, if you already have a Squarespace account, you can just click onto this Login option that we can see right here. Now, since I already have an account, I'll just head over and click on Login. Now, let's head over and preview what our availability look like. I have in here my sites, services that I can see. We have in here our consultation. Let's click onto this book. And you can see in here the date and time that I am actually available. I am available Monday until Friday and available from 9 a.m. until the end of the day at around 4:10 p.m. So I want to actually change that. In order to change it, head over right here to your Acuity Scheduling website. Then click onto this availability that you can see right here on your left sidebar. Head over and click on that right here in order to change your availability that you have. Now in here, you can go over this room resources, or you can also choose in here this global scheduling limits. I have in here my calendar and I have regular hours every week, which is 9 to 5. In my case, let's head over and change this. Let's save it and switch to specific days. So for example, I'm only available Monday, set hours for that Monday. And then let's choose Wednesday and set hours for that. And then let's also choose Friday after that. So in that way, I'm only available Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Once you're done with this, you can just head back because this will automatically save the progress that you have made. So that's how you change availability and Acuity scheduling. Hope we help.